Fuck.
Don't shoot us!
Guys, welcome back to Paranormal Resident. So I am here at the Beehive, a private location that I got access to. So we're going to have a look around. It's very interesting, amazing story attached to this place. A very crazy man. So, and there's actually a tomb shaped like a beehive. So here we go. Okay guys, so we just had to come up a boring and then cross a field. I'm here with Jenny. So, this place is incredible, it's beautiful, it's extremely haunted seemingly. So I'm going to show you guys around the graveyard, and then I don't think I can get into the church, but I'm going to try. But the main reason I'm here, guys, is the Beehive. So the story goes, there's a man called Adolphus Cooke, and he was an illegitimate child and believed to be a bit mad. So he built a tomb for himself because as a beehive, and he believed his father would reincarnate into a bee. So for himself, he thought he would reincarnate into a fox. So he had foxholes dug all around this estate. And right here, guys, is his tomb from 18, have to check the date on it. But he is buried with his nurse who reared him, Mary Kelly, and his son. The priest in Colourful, Westmeath, Ireland, would not bury him in a mausoleum he built. So he built his own on his own land, and here he is. So inside this tomb, the Beehive, is Adolphus. I'm saying that wrong, but all this information will be in the description box, guys. Mary Kelly and his son. He was said to hate people who had children. He had 4 illegitimate children himself. I'm just going to bring you down the pathway. And he was more into animals than he was into kids. So story goes that one of his sons actually killed a fox when he was out hunting. This is Victorian times, guys, so very common. And he disinherited his son. There's a lot of crazy stories attached to him. I will link everything below in the description box. So down here you can see. Okay. We have, within lies the immortal remains of Robert Cooke of Cookesborough, died 1835, aged 80. Adolphus Cooke, the main character here, guys. So we have his father, and I think that's the son. Or maybe, yeah, I think so. And he died 84, and then Mrs. Mary Kelly of Street, County Westmeath, nurse to Adolphus, died 1850. So he is in there with his nurse, and I think his nurse reared him, Mary. He is somebody I would love to meet. He seems like a big character, and I'm very interested in his little beehive, or his large beehive. It's very modern. I know it was restored in 2016, but for something to be built from 1835, it's quite amazing. So we also have the church here. Now, guys, the story I could have all over the place. I'm not a good history buff, but everything will be linked down in the description, all the crazy stories and everything. So we have this church here, which is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to see if I can maybe climb in, guys, and then we're going to try some ghost tube and see how we get on. So let's do it. So I just want to show you guys, this is the pathway down. So he had a pathway built the whole way down to the Beehive. It's just something I've never heard of. I don't think really anywhere in the world you'll find a beehive tomb. because of his beliefs, he was said to have a huge library, and not one book was a Bible. So I think the church took great offence to this, maybe. So there is a recent grave in here from 2001. So that's pretty, like, it's totally overgrown, it's a mess. We're going to explore a bit more. Can you hear the footsteps? Okay. I'm going to see if I can get into the church, guys. I'm not sure if I can. There's Jenny, she's on location with me. And we're going to see what happens. I'm a bit nervous here. It's actually, there's an atmosphere. Okay guys, we were just chatting there, me and Jenny just taking a little break. Because it was a long walk. And I was calling out for Adolf. I'm just going to call him Adolphus. And I was saying he's the man to show me if ghosts are real or not. Because he was a very spiritual man, and we heard footsteps going down into the Beehive itself. The tomb of the Beehive, that is. And just curious, I just sent Jenny off to take some photos. So, just thought it was something to note. I'm going to be showing you guys a bit more around and the church, and we're going to get on with GhostTube.
I didn't bring a camera or the thing.
What? Oh no, you're fine. Professional. So I got into the church, guys, and I'm going to show you guys around. So, okay. Whoa. There's just trees growing in here. You can still see part of the floor.
Oh my god.
So every window is blocked up. Okay. Let's go make it over this way. Wow. Guessing not many people get to see this. I got 10 comments. Seen it. So we have the bell tower. Just gonna go have a look. Oh wow. So that's the bell tower, guys. You can see it's completely bricked up. Oh, this must have been the door.
Yeah. Oh wow.
You can still see the paint, the colours that was painted. Ooh, graffiti.
Ooh. Can't make out now though. Me.
I was here. Well, Paranormal resident was here. Bitches. Fucking cows.
2010. Huh?
Someone was here recently.
Yeah. Welcome.
So this is church, guys. I think I'm going to start off by calling in here on GhostTube and see what we can get. So here we go. Okay, so I have GhostTube going. See, I can hear a tractor in the distance, but there is nobody near us because they can't get at us, if you understand what I mean. Okay. There's more graves over there, but I can't actually access them, guys. So we're going to make our way to the front and finish this off before we get caught. Can you come and say hello to me, Adolf? Were you reincarnated? Was your father reincarnated? Did I? I'm trying to believe. I want to believe in you. Can you say my name to let me know you're here? Can you say Kieran? Is Mary Kelly here? Mary, can you hear my voice? Can you say hello? It is a bit creepy. How many spirits are with me now? How many spirits are here with me now? I'm hearing strange noises. Huh? Yeah. Who are you? Okay guys, we have to turn off the spirit box. We can hear footsteps walking around the church. What is that? The camera's not going to pick that up. Guys, there's someone walking around the church. Okay. There's someone walking around here. Fuck. I hope the camera can hear that. Hello? That sounds like someone's walking on the leaves. Okay guys, we're gonna hop out and see what's happening. Okay guys, Jenny just went to check. Is there nobody there? The whole way around?
Yeah.
We heard that, right?
It was footsteps.
There was footsteps marching the whole way around the church, guys. Okay, I'm gonna hop out and finish off over at the actual Beehive. Okay guys, I'm just showing you the back side of the church. There's a lot of gravestones around here. This is exactly what we heard. If you can hear my footsteps now on the leaves, that is what we heard walk around the church when I was calling out for the spirit box. I hope I got the tail end of it.
But there's nothing here, there's no wind,
There's nobody here. We checked the whole way around. We're far away from public, so if anything happens, we're fucked. But I'm just going to walk down this way on camera and see what I can find. I hope I don't fall into a grave. But we heard someone... Oh my god, there's a grave right here. We heard marching. Not like someone taking a stroll, maybe. So there's all these forgotten graves. God, I think I can see into them. They're very sunken. Shit. Okay guys, we're just going to do a spirit box just at the Beehive. Okay guys, I'll start up. Adolphus, Mr. Cooke, Sir Cooke, are you here?
No.
You're not? Why'd you talk then?
Who are you? Are you? Are you? Who are you? Idiot.
They're calling me an idiot for what I'm doing. Do you think this generation is idiots and fools? No gentlemen left.
Who is buried here?
Whose tomb are we at?
You're not like us because we're Catholics. I didn't know this
Can you say Jenny's name? Can you say Jenny? Guys, I'm smoking, so if you see smoke, it's not ectoplasm. It's a cigarette. Who dat? Who dat? Who dat? I thought you knew that,
Who is here?
Were you walking around the church earlier? Did we hear you earlier? Did we hear you? Okay. Spirits, thanks for talking to us. Goodbye. Okay guys, so that's my little investigation into the Beehive tomb and graveyard and church. I'm glad I got into the church. We're still a bit confused about the footsteps we heard walking around the church. I hope I picked up some on camera. It was like someone walking on leaves. But it was non-stop for a good 30-40 seconds. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This place is not seen by many. And I'm not going to give out the location exactly where it is, but it's the Beehive tomb. And I will leave, well, the Beehive tomb, oh, I suppose there's only one. But like, look it up! Jesus. Alright guys, I'm going to link, not link, but leave all the information about this man down in the description. It's a fascinating read, so make sure you have a look and read. I can never film when I'm with someone, I'm just like a mess. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. We love you long time. Okay, where's the... I can't see with the sun. Bye. Okay guys. I just introduced my little cheap device. Slowly. The art of filming. We're going to try some EVP and see if we can pick anything. We're right beside the Beehive tomb. Unknown location. Even though I'll describe everything in the description box where it is, so here we go. I pressed record, you cheap piece of shit. I'm calling out to the spirits. I'm checking to see if it's recorded, I can't see. If you're here with me now, can you come close and talk into this and tell me your name? Can you say anything before Jenny has a hemorrhage? Okay, we'll do a live playback at that, even though it's just going to be Jenny in the background.
Stop.
Okay, stop. There was a bit of quiet there, so hopefully he talked then. I'm calling out to the spirits. I'm checking to see if it's recorded, can't see. If you're here with me now, can you come close and talk into this and tell me your name? The birds are like, look at me! Can you say anything before Jenny has a hemorrhage? Okay, we'll do a live playback. Guys, groundbreaking paranormal evidence. Groundbreaking.
Oh, I can't, my stomach.
Okay, that's for the bloopers, not this video, I don't think.
Don't shoot us!
You always do it when I'm filming.